Speaking with Tone Morrow about male erectile dysfunction and his experience in speaking with other men, that he's able to share some things with us. That's important for us as women to know, and men, if some of you out there are listening to this, important to know on how to handle these some things and what people go through emotionally, psychologically, and what some of us women feel. Tone, if there was a product out there that would allow men to be able to not have that issue and be able to function normally, or at least close to normal as possible, and that were available and it was natural and would not cause all the different side effects that happen, would men want that?
Yes, I believe several men would definitely want that. But each man is different. They're confident. It's a confidence level and it's a trust thing too. Because they're feeling embarrassed. You know what I'm saying? They feel like they have possibly let their spouse down or something like that. It could be just something physically, something that they are going through, which with their nerves, neuropathy, and something like that. Neuropathy plays a big part in diabetes, which nerves come through your whole body, and of course your genital areas is a nerve system, it's a muscle, so that's what the effects that I was, told about. So it is a confidence thing, and I think communication and education is the key.
Okay, now when it comes to male erectile dysfunction, and I've actually had a woman ask me this question, the is it sometimes a mental thing, or is it pretty much always a physical thing?
That is a good question. I would say it would definitely be a mental thing because you have to have an attraction. You have to be attracted to build up those muscles and blood, vessels and stuff. So it has to be an attraction there. And it's weird that you say that because my friend told me that before he was to take this medicine, he had to get the other party turned on. He had to get himself turned on to actually help the medicine work. And I was like, oh, wow, that's different, but that's true.
Okay, explain that again.